without further ado, I would like to introduce our competitors and the representing nurseries. First, we have Spring Creek Growers from Waller, Texas, and the rack builder is Miguel Esquivel. Our second competitor is Welby Gardens from Denver, Colorado, and the rack builder is Ben Eagle. Our third grower is McCorkle's Nursery in Deering, Georgia, and we have Juan Coro. And finally, our fourth entry is Flowerwood Nursery based out of Loxley, Alabama, and our rack builder is Josh Dudley. In fourth place, from Flowerwood Nursery, Josh Dudley with a time of 29 seconds. $250 for Josh, $500 matching prize for the nursery. Third prize, Miguel Esquivel, Spring Creek Nursery with a time of 27 seconds, .9. He wins $500, $1,000 to the nursery. And in second place, from McCorkle's Nursery, Juan Coro, 25.60, $750, $1,500 to the nursery, which means Ben Eagle is our new 5th annual CC Rack Build champion with a time of 25.02. $1,000 to Ben, $2,000 to the nursery.